don't ever see systems like this. These are old amps you still have running good?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
All these years, bro, I ain't left Unreal.
And this fits perfect.
I fucking love Unreal. That's why I painted the car that color.
Yeah.
Kind of keep the Unreal purple in there a little.
Yeah, that looks good. Nice. Are these
This one with the ISPLL, this is the original one from the Durango.
Wow. Still running, okay. Are you still running dangerously? Are you at like 0.5 or 0.6 now? Or?
Right now I'm wired up at 2.
Okay.
2.5.
2.5? So high. Okay. I remember at one point you were running with an amp cooling rack system and running it down really low. Oh, you got it. You can adjust it if you need to burn. Got it. Yeah.
No, I mean that's my cooling box.
Oh, you still got this?
Cooling box.
Oh, you still use that same idea?
Because I get them hot, bro.
Yeah.
I learned my lesson after I lit one on fire.
Oh yeah.
I was amazed Shane fixed it.
It works good. All right.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
And then I got the 6 15-inch EVLs in the back of this one.
Whoa. Sixth order. Oh man.
Series 6.
How did you fit this thing in here?
That's negative ratio. That's why I mean it's super temperamental, just trying to play with it.
Yeah.
But right now, it's at the point where I originally designed it and I put it in. I haven't touched it, nothing. So I still got to invert the subs because I'm intruding on my 3 cubes per sub right now. Because these are exactly 3 cubes per sub.
Okay, yeah.
But I got to invert them, but I was afraid to at first because they're only this far apart when they're inverted. So I don't know about
motor's close, but yeah.
Everybody's telling me it's fine to do it, but I'm worried about it, bro.
You can always try to invert, just like do 1, 2 on each or something. I don't know. But yeah, this is insane to fit this in here, though, man. How many cubes did you get? At least 25. I mean, I don't know how many. This is crazy.
I got 24 in the rears, and then I think I got like 18 in this front.
Okay, so it's like a 0.7. Okay, negative ratio, yeah. So it's tuned. Okay, all right. The tuning on it's probably really low too. Does it do well on the lows or highs more?
It's like I said, it's still a work in progress.
Okay. All right.
I'm still trying to figure out where she's even really happy at.
Yeah, got it. All right. You don't ever see systems like this. You don't even expect to see that many 15s in here.
No.
You're crazy.
Well, you know, I was like going crazy.
I know.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
just done a flat wall or just a basic fourth, but you went wild and did a negative ratio
Well,
sixth order.
Unfortunately, my shop partner, I'm pretty sure I sent you a link to the show. We had a show for him that passed.
Oh,
well, I always told him I was going to do a Series 6 in here.
Yeah.
So after he passed, I had no choice but to put it in.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it. Wow. Man, that's
All right, you want to go to the big boy next?
Sure, yeah. Sir?
Did you see the smart car?
Not yet. I haven't yet, no. I think earlier I did, but I don't know where it is.
Structure is not as good as everyone would think, but
Okay.